Hello guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can give admin access to Facebook page. So without further ado, let's begin. To start, go to your Facebook page. And now go to menu page. Now right here on your menu page, just tap on settings. From settings, just tap on page settings. Now right here on your page settings, just scroll down until you see this option. Page access. With this, you can invite people to help you manage your page and control who has access to it. So now just tap on that page access. Now to add a new admin to your page, just tap on add new. This will allow that person to be the admin or to control your Facebook page. Now just tap on next. After that, what you can do is to add the account or the name or the email of the person that you want to add as an admin. And that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.